If your stand mixer isn't reaching all the ingredients in the bottom of the bowl, or your flat beater is scraping the bottom, these are clues that the beater to bowl clearance needs to be adjusted. To get the correct clearance, use this time-honored method we call the dime test. A dime is 1/16 of an inch in thickness, the ideal clearance height from beater to bowl. This provides us a visual aid. With a flat beater attached to your stand mixer, drop the dime into the bowl. If the dime does not move, then the beater is too high. If the dime moves around continuously, the beater is too low. If the dime is traveling around the bowl, moving about 1/4 to 1/2 inch with each pass of the beater, that means the beater to bowl clearance is correct. To make the adjustment, first turn off and unplug your stand mixer. Raise your mixer's tilt head and lock it in place. In the hinge where the head and the body of the mixer connect, there will be a large screw. Turn it 1/4 turn to the right to lower the beater, or to the left to raise it. On bowl lift stand mixer models, this screw can be found on the stand mixer's body, behind where the bowl sits, in between the locking arms.